Welcome back. You are watching Castle World YouTube channel. We will talk about America's best place to retire on the West Coast. Is this underrated town? So let's start our video. An RTC three-lined town in Oregon, it quietly looms in the shadows of the Sickions and Cascade Ranges with a huge cultural energy thanks to the world-renowned Oregon Shakespeare Festival OSF. Its year around community events, lively galleries, and live performances. These are just some of the major draws for retirees to discover Oregon's underrated game, Iceland, and its laid back corners to consider it their permanent home throughout their golden years. Oregon is filled with amazing destinations from scenic small towns, beautiful tourist attractions, iconic landmarks, and the famed Oregon Coast Trail for active retirees. This magnificent features are second to none, and Ashland is no expectation. Its arts-centric culture and community-driven activities for everyone. Bacon Golden eagers to experience the town's gentle pace of life, where they can find great connections, wellness, and creativity without too many crowds. But there's more to it. Iceland's way of life, natural beauty, emphasis on health and wellness, and even a vulnerable downtown are perfect features for retirees to have an easier lifestyle than in a busy metropolis. Here's why Iceland is the best place to retire on the West Coast. The West Coast best place to retire. It's gentle and scenic thanks to the surrounding beauty of the Siskiyou and Cascade Mountains. Ashland is pure magic. The town is as competitive as the other Georgia's mountain towns in the US, steeped in beautiful scenery and boundless outdoor excursion. Its location near the Reggio Valley makes it even more scenic mode. Not to mention that it has a mild climate throughout the year with little snow and low humidity. Note: federal taxes may still apply, but on a state level, Oregon won't tax security, special security benefits. Iceland is a beautiful blend of cultural richness, a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere, and natural beauty that retrace this that retreats dream about its home to a little over 21,000 residents, and its pocket size of only 4,200 acres makes it even more tempting for retirees who love small town charm. The town is also deeply community oriented and often hosts regular events and activities to bring the locals together and emphasizes wellness and relaxation, featuring fitness and yoga studios and day spas. But there's more. The social security benefits are non-taxable in Oregon, so any benefits included in the federal adjusted gross income AGI, like interest or dividends from US bonds or notes, are subtracted from our retires. Oregon return special security disability insurance SSDI. It's also tax free, and there's more. Ashland is also considered America's coziest college town, being the home of Southern Oregon University SOU, which adds to Ashland's creative spirit and youthful energy that will blend well with the retrace social and active life in town. Ashland information. Population 21,360. Total area 44,200 towards 49 acres. Coordinations 42.11, 29, and 122.42 3W. Originally called Ashland Miles, Ashland was founded in 1852 and was named for Ashland County, Ohio, the native home of one of Ashland's pioneers, as well as for Ashland, Kentucky, where other founders come from. What retirees can enjoy in this understand small underrated small town. Apart from the financial implications the tax exempt social security benefits that make Iceland the best place to retire. On the west coast, the town also has so many things going for trace who love the outdoors, particularly its location against the backdrop of the Sikh Sea and Cascade Mountains creates a gorgeous canvas as if it's from a postcard. It's one of the least crowded but still scenic towns to visit in Oregon. This entices many retirees and even families. It make to make Ashland their permanent home. In addition to the town's initial charm, the outdoor and cultural experiences for retirees are solid. Arts, cultural, and community focused experiences. Iceland hosts the famed Oregon Shakespeare Festival from April to December annually. It's a rotating repertory theatre that hosts different shows and performances featuring three theatres, the outdoor Allen Elizabethan Theatre and two indoor theatres, the Angus Bomer Theatre and the Thomas Theatre. The renowned festival began in 1935 and draws more than visitors each year. The OSF is something to look forward for retreats, especially for those who love classic and contemporary plays. Also, the Oregon Center for the Arts at Southern Oregon University is a great spot for retreats uh, who fancy creative arts, theater, and music. The OCA features rotating exhibits at the Schneider Museum of Art, which is free and open to the public, as well as chamber music concert, piano series, Shakespeare Institute, and other art related activities for everyone to enjoy. Boundless outdoors and walkable downtown area. It's no secret that Ashland is the best choice for those who love the outdoors. It's prime location at the foothills of the Sixio and Cascade Ranges calls for fantastic outdoor excursions and relaxing strolls. Yes, in Ashland, nature is just at your drop step for intense. The historic Lithia Park boasts 93 acres of Georgia's hiking trails, a playground, bound band shell for live performances, a Japanese garden, duck ponds, sports field, picnic areas, and much more for retreats who want to be more physically active. They can venture into the Sixio and Cascade Mountains for wildlife sightings, gentle hikes, and awe-inspiring scenery. What's more is that downtown Ashland is walkable. The three-lined streets are dotted with locally owned establishments like the charming entries, cafes, specialty shops, boutiques, and art galleries feel more intimate as the downtown area is walkable, making it easier for tourists to run errands, enjoy scenic strolls, and taste local flavors, wellness, and relaxation. More than its scenic beauty and walkable charm, Ashland also boosts health and wellness with several fitness studios, yoga centers, and day spas, which can be the go-to wellness spots for retreats. Overall, Ashland is a place steeped in a lively yet peaceful atmosphere where nature abounds and the creative spirit never overwhelms. Oregon country, United States, capital Salem, Oregon, population 4.246 million 2020, founded date 14 February 1859. The benefits of retiring in Iceland. Iceland may not have the most affordable cost of living, but it does appeal to many retirees mainly because of its natural charm and laid back atmosphere, prime location, and good special security benefits that don't affect the retirees' monetary Funds best of all Iceland's crime rate is relatively low, making it a safe oasis for golden agers. Surrounded by mountain peaks with incredibly gorgeous scenery, Iceland is definitely the best place to retire on the west coast. Tax free for general state sales and social security benefits, low crime rate, well equipped medical care facilities, nature and outdoor living. A small town feel but big for adventures, air around culturally rich events and festivals. Mild climate, fantastic health and wellness focus. Retiring to Iceland means living in a small town where nature is in the front row seat, cultural creativity is immense, and community driven activities bring all residents together and safe and genuinely contented. Iceland retirement information. Crime rate 10.1% lower than the national average. Cost of living per person per month $2,149 to $3,567. Social security and sales tax. Tax exempt. Iceland's quality shines as the best place to retire on the west coast, but it remains underrated, which is what makes it truly special for retirees who want to escape the hustle and bustle of the concrete jungle. See you on next videos. Take care. Bye.